So we seem to be having some issues with the video I posted a couple of days ago about me not liking sheets on the windows of my houses. Do not hang a freaking sheet on your window on my property. If they break the window blinds, we bill them for them. And I will tell you right now that if you put a sheet on the window of your house, I don't have the ability to evict you off of that, but I will never renew your lease. If you don't like that, you will live somewhere else either way. So don't rent from me, rent from somebody else, but you're not gonna do that to my property. So why don't I want you to put a sheet on the window? I don't want you to put a sheet on the window because everybody in that apartment complex or in that area don't want to live next to somebody with sheets on their windows because they're people that want something better than that. So they don't want to live around that crap. But if you want to live around that, then move into an old, raggedy, fallen down apartment complex or old, raggedy house that's falling down and people that own it don't care, and they will let you do what you want to do. On my property, it ain't happening. If you want curtains on your windows, then you buy the curtains and you buy the rods, and I will install those for you at no cost. But when you move out, then I will go and I will fix the holes that are in my wall, and I will charge you for fixing those holes. That is the price of business. That is what we do. Everybody don't want it, and I got to fix the holes either way. So that's where we are. People don't like that. I don't understand it, but it isn't anything I can do about it. I am going to maintain a certain level of my rentals, and that is what we're going to maintain. And if it hair lips the Pope, we're still going to do it.